everyone, we have this Boldfit Skipping Rope. So let's check out its review and demo. The MRP is $299, but on Amazon it's available for just $89, and I've put the link in the description box. So you get 3 color option in this: red, black and yellow. Ours is red color. This rope has PVC coating on it, which makes it flexible and long lasting. And there is a spring in the rope that maintains great balance. It doesn't twist while jumping. The rope doesn't get tangled either. The rope's length is very good. It's 2.8 meters, perfect for adults. And there are 2 plastic handles. They are lightweight, grip shaped, very comfortable to hold in hand, and no slipping at all. So the length is 2.8 meter, but you can adjust the length. Remove the inner plastic piece, cut the rope according to your height, and then put the plastic piece back on. Overall, it's smooth, gives good speed, perfect for cardio training and also for weight loss. The quality seems very good at this price. For $89, such a good skipping rope, completely value for money. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.